Yes, this is for tea. Guyabano leaves. Ito. Ouch. Taas. Ang dami. Sambong or gabon. Oh, this is fresh. Wow. Ooh. This one, Changgubat. Yes, this. I use this every day. Good morning. Cut it na lang. No, this needs to dry. This to cut off this plant. Mulberry. Oh, taas ng dahon. May bunga. Ang laki ng dahon ng mulberry. Yes, this leaf. This is lime leaves. Ang daming bunga ng lime. Lagyan ko ng wood ash. Yan, daming bunga. Haluan ko pa ito ng lulo. Tuluan natin. Birch tree. Ubos ang bear brand. Yeah, let's put some tea. This is the tea. Wow, greenish. I use it every day. Some cinnamon. Wow, ang bango. Magic green leafy beds. Luto na. Yan, natiin na. Yan yung pambaon. Maraming gulay. And then, ang ilalim, yung dough ay wet flour. Whole wet talaga. So, whole grains. Good for ano yan. Unlike refined na mga flour, you should use whole wet for your bread, pancakes. Yan. Yan. Broad tea. Ang init pa. Wow. Yan. Yan. So, inom na habang mainit pa. Sarap. Wow.